even as you ramp up your ground training efforts. Has the president asked you to reconsider that pledge? And I also was interested in asking, given what the president noted about the excitement surrounding your campaign, we've noted in the press over at these summits, it's reminiscent, many have pointed out, of what the president encountered during his early time in office. And have you sought his advice about how to manage expectations and to reconcile the promises you've made and the realities of governance?
You know, I'm actually going to horn in on that last question.
He's been very vocal and helpful.
The first call I made to him, I said, Justin, congratulations. You and your family look great. I know Canadians are incredibly inspired by your message of hope and change. I just want to point out that I had no gray hair when I was in your shoes 7 years ago. And so if
hɔrn hɔrn